To use Canva on your mobile app, all you have to do is to go to Play Store and search for Canva. In case you don't have it downloaded already, click on that and then you look for Canva. This is what you are looking for. Then you can download and install. If you already have it, then just go to where it is and then you open it. So my own is updating right now. So after that, then you can open. Once you open it, then this is what the Canva interface, the Canva workspace looks like on the phone. So just like I explained in the last video where I explained what it looks like on the desktop, you can see this is the design that we did on the desktop. So the same thing is applicable on here. So I'll just run through where to see some of the features here. If you want a detailed explanation, then you can watch the one on the desktop. I explained more on that. I just want to show you how how Canva works on the mobile. So here is where we have the project. That is the thing that you have, the project that you already have on your account. Then we have template here. This pro is for people who have pro features, and then we have home here. Then we have, when you come here, let's click on this now. Let's click on this. There you can see the brand. That's if you have Canva Pro. You can see apps, Dreamlab, Ask Canva, Trash, and the start. Maybe the ones that you have started, like I explained. If I open this one now, I start this one because I need them regularly. So you can see all here. Also, you can also when you scroll down here, let's go back to home. Let's go back here. So when you come here also, when you come to apps and you scroll down, you can see mockups at the lower part here. When you click on mockups, then you can see different type of mockups that you can use, from technology to print, packaging, and all. Let's go back. Let's go back to all apps. When you click on all apps, you'll see different apps that we have here. You can search for them. You can search for apps here. If you know the name of the app that you want to use, you can also open apps on your document when you started working already. So now let's go to how to create a design or a project. Here we have Instagram post, the portrait, Instagram post square, and every other thing. But if you have something else you want to do, all you have to do is click on this plus. When you click on plus, it will bring options for you where you can select the type you want. You can type, let's say I want to look for YouTube banner. I'll just type YouTube banner here. Then you can open YouTube banner. Once you click on it, it will open. It will bring different design, different templates for you. At the same time, if assuming we do not want to use we don't know what we have, a customized size that we want to work on, then you can just come here. After you come to add like this, then you can click on, you can even bring things from your media. You can bring in different things from your media for your design. So if we have a size in mind that you want to work on, this is what you will click on. This one with this yellow is to upload into Canva, while this one is to create a custom size. Then you can change to inches or to millimeter depending on what you want. These are the ones that I have, the recent size that I use. So if you have any size in mind, let's say I want it to be 5x7, then I can put 5x7. This is by 5x4. This is going to be in landscape form. Let's see. Then I can click it and create the new design, and then it will bring out different templates straight up. So maybe you see this one brought out some brochure. This is the size for brochure, I think. So it will bring out, once you know your size, just click it. If you're not using templates, then you just have to click back here. Just click back and then you go back, and then it will return to your workspace. Then if you want to look for elements, just go to elements. Then we have text, we have gallery. Here you can upload things from your phone. These are the things that I have on my phone recently. If I click on this one now, I just take add to page and it will add it to page. So if I want to fit this one to background, I will just click on these three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you scroll down and then you select set as background image, just like I explained when I explained on the desktop version. then you can double tap to adjust the picture. Maybe you want to make it big, you use two fingers to zoom it out or zoom it in, then you can adjust it however you want. Then you can click on done. Let's say this is how I want it. Then we have the Magic Studio also, where you can edit your image. You can remove background. If I select remove background now, it will remove the background. Then we have Magic Eraser, we have Magic Grab, we have, I need the background. So Magic Grab now, but this one works for Canva Pro. If I select Magic Grab now, then it will bring this one. Let's say I want to remove this one from it. I've clicked on it. If I choose grab now, it will grab that person, that image. If I want to grab more than one image, I can select all at once, and it will grab it. You see, it has grabbed it, it has removed it from there. But this is for pro version. So you can scroll down here, you can see effects, you see app. This is app. If you want, this is mock up, image upscaler. We have different apps here. Also, back to this place, we have gallery, brand, upload. Yeah, I'm not clicking on anything. If you're not clicking on anything, then this is what it will bring for you. It will bring like the things that we have, the icons that we have on the left side on the desktop, they are on the lower side here. So if you're not clicking on anything, it will bring out all this for you. It will bring this photo, audio, video, and project and everything. But if you click on an object, then it will bring other options where you can select the things that you want to do on that object. If you want to crop the object, you can crop it. If you want to adjust the object, you can adjust it. If you want to add filter, effect, add color, flip the object. Let's say you want to flip it to the, you want to flip it horizontally or flip it vertically. If you turn it upside down, however you want it, you can animate it, you can add, you can show layers and all. So if you want to know more about all of these things, then just check the last video that I did on the desktop version. I explained more about upload, projects, draw apps, and every other thing. So this is just to show you what the Canva interface looks like on the mobile app. Now, if you want to name your file, your project in Canva, all you have to do is to come to this plus on your mobile app, come here, and let's call it new. After giving it new, you can scroll down and click on move to a folder. After clicking move to a folder, this is the one I created last in our last video. You can click banner and then you can move there. Let's say that is where you want to move it to. If I want to make a copy, then I can select make a copy. If I make a copy now, it will leave that new, and then the next one it will be open. It will call it copy of, can you see, copy of Untitled. That means the new that I named it did not save. So you can also come to this plus here, I mean these three dots. You can also click the three dots here to put the settings like I explained in the last one. You can resize it, but this resize is only for the pro version. You can import files, you can move to a folder, make a copy, share, move to trash, or check the inside. This one is for pro version also. So then you can also go back to home if you want. Then those are the things you can undo and you can redo. You can do a whole lot of things here. This is just to show you what the Canva interface looks like on the mobile app. So in our subsequent videos, let me know if there is a particular aspect of Canva that you want me to talk about. Maybe it's giving you a challenge and you just need help with it. Leave it in the comment section and I will surely make a video on it. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.